Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you want to use your Cash App with Afterpay, then this video is for you. So as you all know that Afterpay is now under Cash App, or Cash App actually accepted payment method on Afterpay that you can use to pay for any product that you have purchased with Afterpay, and you want to pay the 4 terms of payment with your Cash App, then you can do it without any type of hassle. So first you have to do is open your Cash App application on your mobile device. Now once you have opened it, you can find a search icon and magnifying glass icon next to the Cash App icon, or the dollar sign at the right side. Now when you have find this discovery page where you can find the search bar, simply click on search bar and search for Afterpay. So then you can find the Afterpay where you can find the add button. Simply click on add to add your Afterpay account with your Cash App. Other thing you can do is, once you are on afterpay.com, log into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, you can find all the product, all the thing that you have purchased from any platform, and you are on the way of payment in 4 terms with Afterpay. Now you want to pay that amount using the Cash App balance, then you can do is go to the product and you can find a pay button, or you can find checkout section where you can use Cash App. You can select the Cash App and you can add the credentials of your Cash App account. Then you will be able to add the money or pay the amount using your Cash App. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.